If you're a survivor of abuse, you might notice something troubling. You may realize that somewhere, deep down inside, you knew what was happening, but you ignored it. Women are often taught to ignore their own feelings and to put the feelings of others above themselves. This is standard in our culture, and it does not make you weak. From a young age, many of us are conditioned to follow directions, to put others' needs before our own, to quiet our own voice, and to not overreact and be polite. In order to overcome abuse, we have to learn to silence those instincts. Relearning to trust yourself is a radical act of self-respect. It starts with simple acts. Stop whenever you need and listen to your inner voice. Write down what your gut is telling you and reflect daily in a safe, guided space, like a journal made exclusively for healing. I created a journal exclusively for that reason, to help you heal, to help you regain your inner strength, and to help you keep track of information in high conflict divorces. If you're ready to trust your gut again, click the link in the comments below and tell me below, when did you last ignore your gut and how did that feel?